While we rarely agree on jewelry, my husband said the exact same thing about these earrings as I thought to myself when I put them on and looked in the mirror for the first time. These are the 1 carat total weight, so ½ carat each side, Adoyi Moissanite diamond studs, and they are stunning. So I'll take them out in a minute so you can see them up close. But look how beautiful they catch the light and how perfectly sized they are. Now, I don't like to wear jewelry that I have to take on an awful lot. I like to be able to just keep them on and forget about it. And these are 925 sterling silver. So they are incredibly durable and have been just so easy. I leave them in all the time. Look how beautiful they are. So these are the round studs. They are a certified Moissanite gemstone. They have so much light to them. They are cut just absolutely beautifully so that every time I am turning, I am catching that stunning light. Now they have a standard back. Let me pull it up this way so that you can truly see just our standard type back. They have not irritated my ear at all, and they are the perfect weight so that I don't have any issue with it dragging down my earlobe. But I am just so absolutely impressed with how beautiful and perfectly sized these are. Another thing I like about them too is they do come in a really gorgeous box. So if you were gonna get these as a gift, they have that kind of Tiffany's color box to them. And it is a gorgeous textured box, and it comes with its little Moissanite certification card here. Just a beautiful set that even has a little cloth cleaner that comes along with it. So if you are in the market without wanting to break the bank for something that not only looks rich, but truly is incredibly versatile and very well made, these ones from Adoyi are perfection. Absolutely love them. Thanks to the brand for sending them out so I could give you this close-up look.